Welcome to What's Sixto. My name's Sixto. Today is a review on my Seagull 1963. It came in this beautiful, pretty much waterproof case. What you get in here? Well, this is the strap I had. Somehow I had a 19mm black rubber strap. So, and it came with this leather bracelet with a quick release. Let me zoom out. And it came with a little washcloth, all that fun stuff. And this right here, I put it on the Google tab bar where you can take a Google picture. It shows you what translate this is, what it translate this in English. It's a China airline reissue. Camera got a little wonky. Quick fix. So that's pretty interesting because I was wondering what that was saying. So here it is. Look at that. It's a nice little creamy dial. I'm almost tempted to put it on a metal bracelet, like a presidential style bracelet, or like either a Jubilee or some kind of stainless steel bracelet to go with this. But I gotta see what it looks like. So here it is, the whole column wheel. This is the one I was telling you about. Oh yeah, I'm wearing my Hamilton Phil Khaki mechanical wind. Now I have 3 mechanical wind movements. 2 of them are Seagull, and one's one's a Swiss automatic or Swiss manual movement. So this is when I did my little quick history of the Venus 175. I'll put an image somewhere around here so it could be here, so you guys can see what it looks like. The column wheel that literally started it all. So a quick a little quick recap. So once this was a Swiss movement, it was a Venus 175, and so they were shopping it around because they want to upgrade, and they went around, and China was the only one that took it, and they retweak it. Back then it had 19 joules, and they upgraded it to 21. That's what this is right here. That also popped up on the, let me see. There it is. Look at that nice little dial texture. That's what that stands for. The 21 Thuan is the 21 joules. So here's the start, then stop. The best part is you can see that in action back here. There, and man, it's beautiful. And this has Sapphire Crystal. Yeah, I actually got me a diamond tester. I'm stepping up my game a little bit. Supposedly it has Sapphire Crystal. Let's find out. Hopefully I said it right. Oh, come on. Yeah, Sapphire Crystal in the front. See what the rear has. Nothing. Mineral. So that's pretty cool. At least sapphire in the front. So it's a manual wind. You can see Let's see. Wait. Yeah. You can see the gear rotate. Remember, don't once you feel the resistance, stop before you literally mess everything up. So since I have it without the strap, I'm gonna show you what it looks like on this little guy. I'm gonna pause the video. And here it is on the brown leather strap. So here, the original canvas. This actually wears pretty well on this guy. So, give you a quick wrist shot. Oh, come on. Put my little hammy down. For having a 7 3/4 inch wrist, I was skeptical about the leather band, because obviously having a big wrist, literally you can really see the last hole. So here it is, 7 3/4 inch wrist. It actually wears well for being, oh yeah, I forgot to give you the dimension. It's a 38 millimeter case by 47, and the thickness is 13, and of course 18 millimeter lug width. The power reserve on here is a 42. Some people say they got like almost like 52 hours out of it. So far right now it's on the almost like 43-hour reserve, which I'm not complaining. It does not. So far I haven't seen losing time, or it's right on time. What is it? So it beats at 21,600 beats per hour. It's a column wheel, so obviously the way it was created, to make it withstand, because obviously it holds all this awesome intricate stuff onto it. Honestly, these Seagull 1963s are actually really good for their money. If you're thinking about it, obviously take your time, research what you're gonna buy before you actually buy. Then you find out you got yourself a lemon, so that won't be fun at all. So these chronograph, but it's fun to play with, but you got to be careful, because obviously there's a lot going into it. Don't overdo it, because you will end up messing up the gear system and damage the watch. If you made it this far, please like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, thumbs up, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the Seagull watches, and I'll probably leave the link to the last video where I talked about the quick history about this little guy. Until the next one, you guys are awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye.